Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome to V tutorials. Today, I will be sharing with you clearly how you can edit your YouTube videos. How you can edit your YouTube videos clearly and also upload it on on your YouTube channel. So I have an application that I love using on my phone, which is Inshort. It is very perfect in terms of video editing. So I will quickly show you how we do that. So you can go to your phone, go to your Play Store, download an InShot app, open it, and the moment you open it, it will show you an interface like this. Then you click video. If you click video, it will show you, do you want it new or you want to revive the old one? Click new. Okay, let's say in this new one, I have a video to edit here. Say okay. Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome to V tutorials. Welcome to my channel. Okay, this is exactly what I want. So what I want to do currently now is just first of all, I will add volume so that people can hear me clearly. Increase it. Say okay. Hello, my esteemed viewers. See? Welcome to V tutorials. So on this, if you want to change the background, you can click something of this nature and you can add anything here. But I will not want to do that. Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome to V tutorials. Welcome to my honorable channel. Okay. So I wouldn't want to change the background. So, and if you want to split the video, this is simply what you just do. You click here, you can split the video part by part. Okay, I wouldn't want to do that though, so I'll take it none. So, and if you want to crop the video, this is a sign of a crop. You want to speed the video, use this. You want to add volume, use this. Extend it and just say okay. So if you want to kind of replace the video, you can click here and it will give you an access. You see, it can give you an access to kind of replace the video with immediate effects. So I wouldn't like to do that now. So if you want to duplicate the video, you can just click on this. It will give you an access to duplicate the video without delay. So do you want to reverse it? Do you want to rotate? Or do you want to flip, turning one place to another? It will give you, or you want to freeze the video. When I mean freezing the video, perhaps you want to make it a bit slow or freezing. So I wouldn't like to apply any of those effects. If you want to add music, you can just click this symbol and it will give you an access to add music to your video. I wouldn't like to do that now, so I'll just take it off. So having done all that, to my comprehension, I would like to add a text to my video. I can just click here. On this, I'm going to kind of type my business trademark, which is V tutorial. So I'll write it my own way. Tutorials, you see, it will come out with this nature, then I will resize it to my taste. So okay. Having resized it to my taste, then I'll take it anywhere. But what I observe here is that my trademark is white and the background is white, so I will need to change it. So I will need to change it. So I will need to change it. I'll write again. V tutorials. V tutorials. See, I will now click here to change the color. I want to use black, red, or yeah, I think I should use black to come out better. Click OK. Then I would like this trademark to appear throughout the whole video. So you click here and extend. You see? Keep drawing it up, keep drawing it up. So you extend it to the end of the video, then to be able to display throughout the video. You see this? To be able to display throughout the video. So I'm going back because it seems I have not started. I did not start from the beginning. So I'll go back there to complete it. Taking it back there to complete, you see? So I'll draw this one to extend it to this place. Now I have it completed and say, okay. Viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Welcome to my honorable channel. Let me see. Today I will be kind of sharing with you how to all provided video access INEC online. You know, registration voters, new voters registration have just commenced, and if you are thinking you cannot kind of go out there and spend your time on a queue waiting for your capture, you can easily do it online. So I'm going to share with you how you can register for your voters card online. Okay, now so you see I've seen quickly what I've done. Pick up your phone. So I'm going to pause it now. And there is still something I would love to show you. You can use all these pre-cuts, split in case you want to cut the video, you want to delete some parts. You can use this. You want to change the backgrounds. You can use. You want to add speed. You want to crop and many more. So on this background is what we call a canvas here. Let me show it to you. Just click on the canvas. On this canvas, it will show you the YouTube sign. Do you want to use it for TikTok? Do you want to use it for Instagram and many more? But on this my own occasion, I don't want to use it for anything. I don't want to add any canvas, so I'll just ignore the whole thing. To a form, so you can pick up. So to me, I'm a kind of contented with this my editing. So the next thing I will just do, just click on save and save it up. But what I would like to recheck again is the volume. Should anything has dropped? Okay, it's still fine. So I'll quickly navigate myself to the top right hand side and click save. Away from doing that, you now look at the resolutions and the frame rates. So your resolution, if it's not 1000 plus, then you should take it, click here to select and to take it to that 1000 plus. If your frame is not this, because this is the best frame for this short video, then you can just click save. Then you watch while it's saved. So while this process is saving, while you're saving it, you don't kind of need to touch your screen or switch to any other applications. You will hold on until everything is saved. Okay, because if you didn't hold on until everything is saved, it's going to give you a bit hard time, because the moment you drop from here without the savings completed, your video will be bad. It won't play properly. So the moment this is saved, you can now just upload your video to your channel. So thank you very much for being with me. I'm going to drop another video that shows how to completely make a video post on your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being with me. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Bye.